It's the morning cryptos, and evidently Bitcoin's going bananas. Bitcoin price hits new record high. Bitcoin price hits another record high, 5,800, up 480% for this year. Okay, people, remember what we learned. When the headlines say new high, that means there's going to be sell-off very soon. So be patient. Do not chase a crazy rising market. Okay. Unless you want to, of course. I mean, if you really want to, that's okay too. You do whatever you want. I'm not. All right, so let's talk about the cryptos this morning. The morning cryptos. We have Bitcoin, and it has gone up as high as 59.08 according to this chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart here. 59.11, actually, it seemed to have gone up to. And on the 1 hour chart, we've already seen some profit taking, right? And you're going to see more of that because remember, it's kind of like a vibration, right? It goes out and in and out and in and out and in and out and in. And if you think of it that way, what goes out here has to come back here because it's finding a middle ground. It's like a tuning fork. Think of it like a tuning fork. You know, it's like vibrating, do 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 do, and eventually it will come back, right? And so when times are really quiet, like the last week or so, it's been kind of quiet, like not much is happening. Those are the best times, really. Those are the times to set up and look and see what is coming. You know, what's setting up for the next big move, kind of a deal. So anyway, people, good luck with Bitcoin. It will come back. Probably it will come back somewhere, in this channel where it was. See, because it went up and then it came down and then it's like, so the next down, when it comes back, it'll probably come back to 4,000. That's kind of my guess. And when it comes back to 4,000, Marky's going to buy some. That's the deal. I probably won't buy a whole Bitcoin, but I'm going to start buying again. And so that's my plan. And we'll see if I stick with it or whether I change it. So let's look at Dash. Isn't it interesting that Dash is following my lines really nicely here? And Dash is this upward trading channel. Look at this upward trading channel. And it may look like it's not doing much now, but it's still honoring its trading channel. And that's interesting. I think a lot of the other cryptos are going to follow Bitcoin. It just takes a day. It takes a little while for the ripples to move through, right? So anyway, Ethereum looks like it has broken out of its channel. That's sweet. I've been saying Ethereum is underpriced for a long time, and I didn't know when it was going to go, but this is the pattern that I drew, and this is the one pattern that seems to be a money pattern, right? And that is multiple tops on a ceiling, right? I'll call it a ceiling. There's probably some trader lingo that I don't know, but it's the ceiling. And then we have higher bottoms moving up to that, and it compresses and then it lifts, right? It's like that compression energy, boom. So that's what I've been looking at with Ethereum. And I think we're going to see Ethereum go for 400 again. That's my thing. That's what I believe. And then when it comes back, I'll buy more, right? Again, that's the idea. It's really simple, people. Let's not overcomplicate things. I'm just looking at IOTA here. There we go. Now, IOTA, we've been having this lower bottoms thing going on, which is fine because I think IOTA is a really good project, and it's an opportunity to get more. Litecoin. Litecoin had a little boost. Again, we had tops, and it's broken out of its range. Let me get rid of this line. And that's the beauty of Litecoin. You know, it doesn't go crazy except when it does. Like, it went crazy back before the Chinese ICO ban. So I don't know if we'll go back up there, but I'm going to keep watching it. I think it's fascinating. All right, Neo. I don't know why I clicked on Neo because I really don't have any. I got to just kind of get. All right, Obi say go. Oh, excuse me. Omi say go. Kind of did a little bit of a breakout a couple of days ago. And Monero. Looks like Monero's trying to break out as well. See, the Monero thing, the bottoms were the ceiling. You know what I mean? There was support on the bottoms, and the tops were like lower. So it'd be interesting to see if this kind of makes a run for 104. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Yeah. And let's go to Bittrex. And we're going to look at Quantum. All right, so Quantum is going down. People, don't panic on this. Get more, all right? Get more Quantum. It is a good time. That is a buy signal right there. And yeah, I gotta look here for the Quantum price because I'm still thinking. So Quantum's down to 12 as far as volume. Valium. Okay, so we're down to 1061. Not bad. Oh, we say go Quantum and IOTA right here, 12, 13, 14. I think those are good buys. Those are good things to pick up. That's what I'm looking at. Monocoin, by the way, is a new the first Japanese cryptocurrency. Look at that. And you can learn about it. And it's already number 6. And it's up 23%. Let's look at their little chart. Whoops. Let's see what's happening with Monocoin. I don't know how you say it. Mona, it's $4. Yeah, so it would be interesting if we have, each country has their own currency again, but on the blockchain, and then we have to swap in and out. Do you think that's going to last? I don't know. But that's a pretty steep rise. I don't know what it did. There's the 1-day chart. Yeah, I don't know. When I'm looking at a rise like that, I tend to step back because I want to buy on these. I want to buy here these, right? Whenever it retraces. All right. So a lot going on, people. And that's all I got today. I'm tired. We'll go back to bed. So, yeah, big deal. Bitcoin, new highs. Woo. Woohoo. Whoop, boop, boop, boo. Zippy doo. Woo. All right. Go Bitcoin. Oh, I forgot Bitcoin Cash. Let's see what they're doing. Nothing. Right? Go Bitcoin Cash. Why Bitcoin Cash is worth $314 And Ethereum's only worth 330. Really? Okay. So I'm going to keep an eye on Ethereum, people. We've had a boost, but I'm not going to buy it anymore because it's broken out. So now it's my when do I sell thing, but I'm not selling any Ethereum because my next move is to stock up on Ethereum before the big thing happens next week. But I may be too late. I have a little bit, but yeah. All right. Okay. That's it. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know why I'm not that excited. I'm not moved emotionally by new highs in Bitcoin or any of these. Unless they really like Litecoin, I could get excited about because I've got quite a bit of Litecoin. One day. Yeah. For me, I like these sideways trading ranges. That's what I like. And this one pattern, you could probably do fine. When you see a sideways trading range, that's a good time to get in. You have time to do it. With these big drops, you want to let it settle and find its support. So you want to resist buying instantly, on the way down. But they do settle. And not always, right? There's always exceptions, and news can move it, and there's all kinds of variables. And oh well, we are in day 75 of the 90-day challenge. My name is Mark Shepard. This has been probably the worst ever morning cryptos. But if you liked it, that would be really awesome. And give me a thumbs up, subscribe, become one of my key grooviness insiders. And every day, except Sunday, I come look at the markets, see what's going on, make my decisions, buy, hold, sell, rant, complain, dream, vision, philosophize. That's what I do. And in the meantime, I've gone deep into the rabbit hole of cryptos, and I'm learning every damn day something new. I'm learning more than I've ever learned, and I can't take it all in. There's so much to learn, and so this is my attempt to understand it, to express it, to explain it to someone who might be a little younger in the crypto cranking world than me. And my one big piece of advice is stay away from Ponzi schemes. Okay, people, stay away from any website that offers you any kind of guaranteed return in exchange for your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, whatever they're trying to get from you. Keep that shit in your own control, in your own account, in your own wallet, in your own control. All right, and so I'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be a little bit livelier. And I think I'm fighting off a little cold or something, but. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you and all your comments, and I do my best to respond to you as soon as I can. And that's it for today. Be safe out there. Do not chase a rising Bitcoin because it is coming back. It will always come back, and you always have a second chance with Bitcoin, which is lovely. It's really a nice thing about it. And what does it do, really? What does Bitcoin actually do, right? I just think these others are better. But Bitcoin is famous, right? So that's my gripe. There's a lot of famous people who are a lot less good at what they do than some people who aren't as famous, right? Anyway, don't get me started. Let's start the music. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.